The BJP has now decided to begin an awareness campaign on the farm laws. The BJP is going to be drawing out an elaborate plan to chalk out awareness campaign to counter the ongoing farm protests. The Saffron Party is planning to hold Kisan Sammelans and Chaupals at 100 different locations across the country. The leaders will also be addressing press briefings in 718 districts of the country. The dates of these campaigns are yet to be announced. This is coming in after Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar yesterday once again allayed fears, saying that there will be no changes in the minimum support pricing. The minister also reassured the farmers that the centre is ready for talks and will allow legal discourse to disputes. This morning, Prime Minister Modi even tweeted Tomar's briefing, saying that the minister has explained the new laws in detail.
हम लोगों की लगातार पहले भी कोशिश रही है और अभी भी मैं आपके माध्यम से किसान भाइयों और बहनों को आग्रह करना चाहता हूं कि आप सब ने चर्चा के दौरान जो प्रश्न उठाए थे उन प्रश्नों का समाधान करने के लिए लिखित प्रस्ताव भारत सरकार ने आपके समक्ष भेजा है। आप उन प्रस्ताव पर विचार करें और आपकी तरफ से जब भी चर्चा की स्थिति के लिए कहा जाएगा, भारत सरकार एकदम चर्चा के लिए तैयार रहेगी।
Rahul Srivastava now joins us for a better perspective on the story. Rahul, we do know that the proposal that was sent by the government to the farmers was rejected by the farmers. The farmers always maintain, why did you not consult us before coming up with these three laws and roll it back? And now the BJP plans this particular outreach of reaching out and explaining and allaying the fears. Do you think this is going to make a difference in the stance the farmers have at the moment?
Chetty, in politics, there is no clarity on what might be the outcome. But political parties try virtually all tricks. Since yesterday, it's been clear that there is a sense of desperation in the government as far as the negotiations with the farmers are concerned. The farmers took them to a long route. The government was trying to address those segments in the farm unions which are pursuing a middle path, are more reasonable, and are agreeable to amendments and calling of the stir. But it seems that the more strident elements among the farm unions had their say, and they dictated what is being called a majority mandate, that the bills have to be repealed and nothing else. But after yesterday's appeal to the farmers, and today morning the Prime Minister setting the line, that what the Minister yesterday said is the stand of the government, it's clear that the government is also clear it's not going to repeal the laws, it's ready for amendment. And in that view, a counter is going to be thrown by the BJP. Now what the BJP is going to do, hold 100 Kisan Sammelans and Chaupals addressed by cabinet ministers, senior leaders of the party, and also in each district, 718 of them, press briefings and media reach out. Largely the attempt is that if entire country has not pitched in as far as these farmer protests are concerned, the sense of solidarity is not pan-Indian, then keep it that way. Reach out to other farmers, and that way you can announce the isolation of the farmers from Punjab and segments from Haryana, that these are the only ones who are protesting. It's largely an attempt to create a sense of isolation for the region of Punjab and also the strident unions which are protesting for the repealing of the law.
All right, Rahul, thanks for joining us with that perspective right there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.